Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to add a scanned image or a photograph taken by smartphone to our document. This could be very useful, especially when we don't have a soft copy of that document, and we are interested to add some images from that document to our document. Here I have an image taken by smartphone, and I want to add this image to my document. Here I have added. You can see this is the original, and this is the improved version. Here quality of the image is not looking good, so before adding to the document we need to improve the quality of this image. So we'll do this using Photoshop. Any CS version Photoshop you can use. Okay, I have CS5. Now just go to image and then choose labels. Okay, from here just select this pencil option, move your cursor at the document and press there. Okay, now you can see that quality is improved. In the next step, we will crop this image. So just go to this option, crop tool, and select perspective crop tool. Remember this perspective crop tool, and here select the region which you want to add. You can easily select. Okay, just move your cursor all the regions which you want to add. Okay, once your selection is done, then just press here. Okay, alright, now you can see that quality has been improved. You can rewrite the text if you want. Okay, so just remove the text and rewrite. Once you are done, then just save this image. Okay, so it's very simple and you can use. That's it. Thanks for watching.